Namaste my loves, I'm Preeti, a makeup artist, fashionista and I also run a training program for makeup. So if you are interested, then please do subscribe to my channel and ring that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. Without further ado, let's get into the video. First we will prime our eyelid with a Kryalon concealer in a shade Ivory. It's quite dewy finish concealer, so you won't need that much. Starting with an eyeshadow, I will be using my LA Color Sweet 16 palette using a shimmer shade as my eyeshadow base. The color in this palette is quite blotchy sometimes and also they don't blend, but not all of them. There are certain colors that blend really nicely and really softly, like you will literally fall in love with those shades, but there are certain colors that are really irritating and annoying. With this purple shimmer shade, I will be giving my eyelid some dimension. It's not a matte shade, so you have to be careful, but since these days I'm getting a lot more of shimmer eyeshadow vibes, that is the reason behind I'm always like using shimmer shades, shimmer eyeshadows. Next we will take this a pink shimmer color on fluffy blending brush. This shade is really beautiful and I have actually done a video about it. It's like a soft pink cut crease eye. I'll put a link into my description box if you guys want to watch that tutorial. Just to the center of our lid, we will put this neon green shade with my flat brush. For wing liner, I use my trusted Maybelline gel liner in black. Actually, this product does comes with a brush. It's a flat brush, but it's really stiff and like rough. I have seen quite a lot of YouTubers who are using still, which is quite okay. I think so. It's all about your choice, your preferences. Right here, the brush I'm actually using is a nail art brush. And back in the days, I used to go for nail art classes, so that is the reason behind I own this one. But it applies like a dream. You don't need to buy this one, obviously. I'll put some link into my description box where you guys could find this product. But if you have any of your favorite influencer who uses a coupon code, then that will be much helpful for you guys to get a better discount. So I would suggest using their names or something like that. I curl my lashes with this Vega lash curler in silver and put on some lashes off camera. For mascara, I use my Wet n Wild Mega Length Waterproof Mascara. Now this is the last time I'm using it because I am almost finished with this one. It's almost like dried down and I have a new one arrived yesterday. So yeah. Moving Moving on to face, we have this Benefit Cosmetic Professional Primer. It's a matte tinted primer. Every time I use it, I get really terrible breakout. So if you have a combination skin or dried skin, please don't use it because it will give you a heavy breakout. So be careful with that. For concealer, I use my Ivory NG1 concealer by Kryalon Cosmetics, and I'm going to blend both of the shade and create my own color. For contour, we have our NG1 contour shade. I applied with a flat brush and blended with my beauty blender. Normally, if you use a beauty blender, then that will help your excessive product get soaked in. It will help your skin look a lot more natural instead of too much of makeup on your face. Then I use my Hoola bronzer by Benefit Cosmetics. It gives a lot more natural sun-kissed look, and it's actually blends really well and like really soft. I'm actually excited to use their cool tone product if they have one. So yeah, maybe in future I will buy their cool tone products too. For my lower lash line, I use my brown kajal by Lakme Cosmetic. Since brown color really helps your eyes to look wide open. For inner corners, I use this grey shade that seems quite perfect. I also connected that to my lower lash line so that everything seems to be blended, and added some mascara. For blush, we will use this rich coral shade from Smashbox blush palette. For face highlighter, we will use a highlighter coral shade from same palette. Next, I have my Eric Cosmetic lip palette, and the shade I use is like a soft pink color. I applied with a flat brush. And over to the top, I use my Lakme lip liner in Red Alert, and I blend it with my finger. So yeah, if you find this video worth enough, then please give this video a thumbs up, and also follow me onto my socials where I post daily. Please don't forget to leave a comment down below what you guys want to see next, and yeah, bye.